Okay, question 9. Use the figure below to answer the following questions. Round your answer to 2 decimal places. So we want to find the measure of angle B. What is AC and what is AB? So the first one's pretty simple. We're missing this angle in the triangle. So what do we know about the angles in a triangle? They add to 180, right? So we're just going to take 180 minus the 90 that we have minus the 25, and that's going to give us the remaining angle, which is 65. So angle B is 65, and now we want to find A to C. I'll call that X, and then A to B, the hypotenuse, we'll call that Y. And I'm going to label that right now because we're going to need it to solve. Because we have an angle on one side, that means we're going to use a trig ratio. So SOHCAHTOA, and then I'm going to use reference angle A. It's 25. It's the one we were given. So this will be the opposite, and this will be the adjacent. Let's start with X, just because it comes first. So we have the opposite, and we're trying to find the adjacent. So we're going to use tangent. So tangent of some reference angle is opposite. That's what the O is for. And then A is for adjacent. So let's set up our equation. The angle is 25 degrees. The opposite side is 32, and the adjacent side is X. So when X is on the denominator, remember it takes 2 steps to solve. First, we have to get rid of the fraction. So times both sides by X. So we have X times tangent of 25 degrees equals 32. And then to get X by itself, we divide both sides by tangent of 25. So we have 32 divided by tangent of 25, and that's going to give us our value. So 32 divided by tangent of 25, and it's 25 degrees, so make sure you're in degrees, not radians. So 68.62, and I'm going to put that there. And this was 65 degrees. Okay, now we need AB. So now we're solving for Y, the hypotenuse, and we have the opposite. I'm going to use the opposite because it's not rounded. So which one has O and H? That's sine, right? So sine of some angle is opposite over hypotenuse. And then this is our equation that we just have to fill stuff in. So our reference angle is 25. The opposite side is 32. And the hypotenuse is Y. And it's the same thing we just did. Notice our variables on the denominator. That means we have to times by it first. And then divide. So Y is 32 divided by sine of 25. And same thing, 32 divided by, here's our function, sine of 25, which is 75.72.